Welcome to our video on Docker. Docker has revolutionized how we build, ship, and run applications. But what exactly is Docker? Let's break it down. Docker is an open-source platform designed to automate the deployment of applications inside lightweight, portable containers. Think of it like containers on a ship, each holding everything an application needs to run. At its core, Docker packages applications and their dependencies into containers. These containers can run consistently on any system, whether it's your laptop, a server, or the cloud. Docker uses the host operating system's kernel but isolates the application processes. This ensures efficiency and minimizes overhead compared to virtual machines. Before Docker, developers often faced challenges with dependency conflicts and inconsistent environments. Docker eliminates these issues by creating isolated environments for each application. This means no more "it works on my machine" problems. Docker's architecture consists of three key components: the Docker client, Docker daemon, and Docker registry. Docker client, the interface where users run Docker commands. Docker daemon handles container management and communicates with the client. Docker registry, a repository for Docker images. Docker Hub is the default public registry. A Docker image is a blueprint of an application, including its dependencies. When you run an image, it becomes a container, an isolated environment where your application runs. Portability, run containers anywhere. Efficiency, containers share the host OS kernel.